Guys, we are done straining our Hausa cocoa. If you see the color of my one, if you are somebody that you don't want too much pepper, you have to reduce your pepper, because I like my one spicy, more spicy. That's why I add more pepper. Because of the pepper, that's why the color is looking like this. So if you don't like pepper, just skip or reduce the amount of pepper that you will use. So at this point, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to cover this and leave it to ferment. So I will prepare my cocoa the next day. I have to leave this overnight, or you can leave it in the fridge anytime that you want to have your Hausa cocoa. You can just take some and prepare your Hausa cocoa. So when I'm doing it in the morning, I will show you how I will prepare my Hausa cocoa. So this is the process that you can use to prepare your Hausa cocoa. Thank you. The authentic way. That's the one that I'll show you guys. Thank you and God bless you. I want to take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers. You guys are so amazing. Thank you so much and God bless you. I love you all. So guys, it's time for me to prepare my Hausa cocoa as we went through the process. Guys, after the process, I left it overnight for it to be fermented. So now we are going to prepare our Hausa cocoa now. I have my water on fire. With the water, you have to use the one that on top of your millet paste. So let's start. I'm going to start by taking some of the millet paste and mix it with water before I will add it to the one I have on fire. I'm not going to prepare that much. The rest I will put it in the fridge. So if you can see the color, if you can remember, I told you guys that I told you guys that I want my one very hot, very spicy. That's why I added more chili powder. So the chili flakes that I use. So if you don't want your one to be more spicy, you have to reduce the pepper so that you won't get this color. If you use more pepper, that's when you get this color. Yeah guys, so note that. So I'm going to add this to the water I have on fire. My water has started boiling. So after mixing it with water, we are going to add it. The water, we will be adding it if we need more water.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore. So just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just Everybody's chasing fast, they wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing?
I want to take this opportunity to thank all my new subscribers and those that you have subscribed already. I say God bless you. I love you guys as always. Subscribe.